Hello guys. Welcome to NMAMIT YouTube channel. I am Kavya and I am Nidhi from the Department of Information Science and Engineering. Today we are going to demonstrate you about how to develop a Christmas Eve model. Basically it includes a snowman, Christmas trees and gift boxes using Blender. Let us start creating snowman model. We will be using only primitive shapes and nothing complex. We don't want to start with default cube, so just right-click to select the cube and you can either press X to delete or the delete key. Next we are going to select Mesh option from Add menu and specifically select UV sphere. Scale it up according to your requirement by pressing S from keyboard and get it above the ground level slightly. Now duplicate this sphere by choosing Shift-D enter and place this sphere above the first one and press S to scale it down slightly than the first sphere. Now again duplicate this sphere, scale it down and place it above the second sphere. Now you can scale the entire object by pressing Shift key and right-clicking you on each of the sphere and press S and enter. To make a hat for a snowman, select cylinder from Mesh option in Add menu, scale it to get the shape of a hat and keep it above the third sphere. Duplicate this hat and scale it by choosing S and Z key. Now scale it out and push it down. Be sure to save your work by choosing File Save and save the file with extension Blend. To make the eyes of the snowman, choose Icosphere from Mesh option in Add menu, scale it to the required shape by pressing S key. Press Tab and select different points in Icosphere to extrude it to make it look like eye. Duplicate this to make another eye. Now duplicate the eye and scale it down to make snowman smile. Repeat it until you get a smiley face. You can smooth your snowman by choosing Subdivision Surface from Modifier option. To make snowman's nose, select Cone from Mesh option which is in the Adds menu and scale it by pressing S. Rotate it about in any of the axis by choosing R from keyboard. Place this cone in the required position. To make the hand, select Torus from Mesh option in Add menu, rotate it about any of the axes to make your torus straight. Scale it to your requirement and place it in its position and snowman is complete. Now let's start with creating Christmas tree model. Firstly select cylinder from Mesh option in Add menu and scale it in Z axis to get into a shape of a root by choosing S and Z. Now select cone from Mesh option in Add menu and scale it wider along X or Y or Z axis and place it at bottom of the root. Now duplicate it by choosing Shift-D and scale it down and place it above the first cone. Repeat it 4 times, each time scaling the one slightly smaller than the previous one. To make sphere-like balls, choose sphere from Mesh option in Add menu and place it according to your wish to make your Christmas tree look beautiful. To color your snowman's hat you need to go to Material, choose New Material and name it Hat and select Color as Black color from Diffuse. Now apply same on eyes and smile. Now to color snowman, select Material and New Material and name it Snow and select Color as White color from Diffuse. To color the nose, select Material and select New Material and name it as Mode and color it with Orange. To color the trees, give name of material as Tree and select Color as Green. To color root, select Color as Brown and spheres can be colored according to your wish. Now to make the stars, scale the sphere from Mesh option in Add menu and place it at the top. Duplicate it to get multiple stars. To make gift boxes, select Cube from Mesh option in Add menu and duplicate the cube, scale it along the Z axis and place it above the cube to get the cover of the gift boxes. Repeat the steps to get multiple gift boxes. Now to have a snow effect, go to Add menu, select Plane from Mesh option. Now scale the plane 5 times by pressing S5 and press Tab to get edit mode. Now press W key, select Subdivide and set the number of cuts to 6. Set back to object mode by clicking Tab and place the plane above the camera view. Now go to Particles menu in Properties and add New Particle and set the lifetime to 200. Now go to Scene Property and in Gravity option make the Z-axis value to -0.5. Now go to Particle in Properties and make the value of Normal to 0. Now go to Velocity panel in Particle Property and change the value of Random to 0.2. Now split the window to two parts and change the viewport shading to rendered. Now go to Material Property and add new material and change from Surface to Halo and decrease the size to 0.1. Now play and see the effect. Now set the start value to 200 and end value to 230. Once again save your file. Now place the light sources in different positions to get your image visible and shiner. We have used point source in this model. You can use sunlight/spotlight or anything to make your model visible. Select point source from lamp in add menu and place it in different positions. You have to do trial and error when you place the light source. If your light source is not at the right position, your image is either not seen or not completely visible, that is, it gives you a shadow effect. So make sure you keep your light source at correct position. To render your model, press Shift F and see if all your objects are within the region. If not, use W or S or A or D or make your objects lie within the region. Now once your image is within the region, go to camera icon and press render option. Now your Christmas model is ready. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe our channel.